Okay, before we start our video, we have to pour some holy water before we start our live streaming, because this is really important. Welcome everybody, welcome everybody. Really tastes good. So what's going on? We got a list. We still watching VLON because yesterday we did 90% up. Pre-market is still around the 5% up, and we have this flag to break out from when the market open. We got two stocks requested from us, from our hunters, GPS and GSAT. Welcome, elites. Okay, we'll have to wait a bit to discuss those stocks. One of our hunter ambition elite, he asked for those two stocks. Welcome, John. Welcome, Johnny. Good afternoon, good morning, or good afternoon, whatever you are. Doesn't matter. We have just one market to trade. Thank you for the heads up, Chris. Thank you for the heads up. Okay, the chart doesn't look good for this one. Maybe if we held this current support, maybe we got something. Maybe. Let's check. Volume yesterday, not that bad, almost 3 million. So yeah, maybe we got something for INPX. Of course, we have to never forget to put alert just in case for the stock that would be interested in trading. So I learned my mistake before. When I see a chart and I look to it and there's a potential trade, but I forget to put alert. And then when I go back to check the stock after 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, I see it actually broke our level and continue to go higher and squeeze. So I get really frustrated because I didn't put alert. And putting alert, it doesn't hurt anybody. Of course, we got almost right now, we use 222 alerts. As a premium user, I could actually have 400 alerts. So this is good. Unlimited, there's no time for it. So this is really important because sometimes you put alerts and the stock will go to your breakout zone toward like 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. We never know when the market maker will buy. So being a premium user on TradingView is really important because you have alerts unlimited time, and this will come in handy to get alerted even after 6 months. Hopefully not 6 months, hopefully after 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, many of you ask about BBY, many of you ask about AMST. Okay, AMST is on our watch list, so we're gonna cover it when the market open. Great hunt, meta sweep. Meta sweep hunting really good. Hunted for VLON at the bottom and ride it over 100%, and now hunting for BBY dip around the $1.87. Great hunt, meta sweep. Great hunt, brother. Let me just check pre-market for BBY. Aha, so BBY is trending down. Okay, now it's risky, guys. Now it's kind of risky. I don't like this. We already did the pre-market update for this one, and we said that $2.12 should be the breakout zone from this bearish channel. You see, we have a huge test, and the prices still continue to go down. So now it's risky because we're testing an important support, which is around or above the $1.80. If we broke it, it's really risky. We might see a huge sell-off around the $1.50 and the $1.30. So I will be extremely careful here. Really careful, because now in pre-market is 7%. So there is a potential, a huge pump down. So I will be extremely careful. Let me just check the biggest gainer list. We got AMST. After that, Ruby, 42%. So the top gainer volume-wise is AMST. We have to watch out for this one. Let me just check if it's on our Jesus trading list. Nope. I think I don't like the chart. That's why I took it from the chart. Yeah, it's still pumping. So we going toward the first profit taken. Pre-market is already up over 130%. So we might have like a rejection when the market open. We have to be strategic. I will be extremely careful for this one. We might see a profit taking triggered when the market open just around this level, the 72. So right now is testing area. After that, the 97. I don't know if we could maybe make today 200% or 250. The stock maybe would be the same as for the other stock that pumped almost 200% in a day. Like if you remember the other one, I don't know, PCPO, I think. Yeah, it jumped almost 300%. So we might have a runner for today, which is AMST. AMST. So AMST share double on the plans to use ChatGPT AI in online education. So we got some drastic news. AMST are thinking about using ChatGPT AI in online education, because this stock is like EDU, is kind of give educational programs. Yeah, we see here what's kind of solution for business, learning community environment for compliance and training. Launch your course program for museum, launch your institution branded learning portal. So it's about learning programs on the internet. Globally competitive, smart, intuitive learning environment help organization thrive. Yes, so we might have business plan is good. They shooting for the future. They're planning to use AI for their learning experience. So we might see a turning point from college and the normal school to this platform. So we might see a huge a disruption, like what happened to Amazon, because Amazon disrupt the wholesale business idea from normal shops toward the online business. So we might see a disruption in global college and schools, normal schools, toward online business using AI. So this is really good. On this news, we have a huge pump for the stock. AMST, biggest gainer percentage-wise for the profit, and the second for the volume-wise. Both of those levels are the top for the stock. So we already put alert and we already tested our first profit taken, and we got rejected Oh boy, we got rejected. So now there's interesting level that I'm watching for this stock around this level. A new level being tested at the moment, which is profit taken, now turning to resistance. Okay, AMST, we gonna watch this one. AMST. We gonna watch Palantir because it's jumping as well and got rejected. Okay, now we going down, but we'll see if we could hold. We might have a bit of hold here. We hold will be perfect, otherwise we're gonna go down again to test this channel. Let me just check. Interesting. So yeah, we'll see if we hold when the market open around this support. Would be good, otherwise we might see a continuation down. So we got Palantir, AMST, VLON, SRZN. Yeah, we might see a continuation for the stock because we held the $1.90. Okay. Sunray, remember yesterday? Yeah, Palantir doing good today, but got rejected. Still, it's not the go. It's not the go yet. How about Wish? We already discussed Wish in our pre-market update. Let's check Wish together. Yesterday 37, today 3% up. Interesting. We have interesting support and breakout zone for Wish. Okay. So something about to happen, So we might add Wish as well. We might have continuation for this price action if we held the current support. So Wish looking good after the pump. We have a huge pump yesterday, and now we have accumulation area. So we kind of have a flag forming, and we need to accumulate in this flag, then have a breakout once again. And Wish is one of the stock that heavily shorted, so we have to be extremely careful. Wish. We wish that the price of stock of Wish going higher, but here we don't wish, we act. Wish is not good. Wishing is not good. Okay, wishing is not good in trading. If you wish to make money but you never actually invested, you never make money. If you wish to be better trader and you never actually do the work and like write everything down and try to improve every day, the wish will never come true because you have to do the work. So yeah, wishing is kind of passive thing to do, but acting and doing is active, you know. So I prefer the active side of things, not the passive things, because the passive thing we can actually control. It's really hard to control unless you have a genie, you know. Unless you have a genie in a bottle can give you everything you wish, but this is again another wish. Anyway, so we have to add Wish to our watch list. We put it there because it's not ready. The LON got rejected, but we're still holding the support. Palantir is going down, but we're still holding the support. So we got one stock is ready to pump to the moon, which is AMST. We're looking for this stock to pump 200%. Right now 150%. Let me just check if we might have different levels to watch out for. We got this level. Okay, we have to watch closely what's gonna happen for this one. Yeah, TRKA is, yeah, it's good one as well. Yeah, you're right. Exella is coming back. Okay, we got rejected now. We got rejected finally. We need a pullback for this one. We need a pullback for this one to have a game on for it. Now it's still, we'll see what's gonna happen. Let me just check Exella and check CVNA. Okay, just 2% up yesterday. Volume is good, but Exella still down. CVNA still down. Yeah, we're waiting for a breakout, but it's not ready today. XPON is down 7%. Struggling. We broke this channel, so it's kind of bearish at the moment. We could have a squeeze yesterday, but we got rejected here. We have a wick. The price went down and continued to go down. GNS still have a struggle. Let me just check the stock that have potential to pump. AMST, Ruby losing about like a bit of momentum. BWV 24%, but the volume, okay, BWV got this stock have been pumping almost 100%, but we lost some momentum when the market opened. You see clearly that the volume, it was really low the last few months. Now something changed because we got some news regarding the stock. Yeah, Blue Water Vaccines appoints. Okay, we have vaccines. Okay, I thought like is the vaccines and the influ, everything is fixed, but I think we have another wave. For this one, I don't like the chart. For the other one is light on volume. This one is, or RCRT. Yeah, light on volume. This one, I always mistake this one with Sensionic, have the same name, SESN. Let me just check. Yeah, the chart doesn't look good. Palantir, GLS. Let me just check this one, not good. INPX. So yeah, IDX, okay, IDEX. It's pumped and got shorted. You see here, not good. So all right, we got those stocks, AMC, AMST, and then Palantir still holding, VLON. So I put VLON second, then a check wish, I will put it third, then Palantir. GPS, it's been requested from us today from Elite. I don't know if it's here. Yeah, Elite, good morning. I was waiting for you to check the stock that you asked from us on our Patreon for today. Sorry, I didn't cover them with our pre-market video. That's why I always say to put your question before 10 a.m. each day, in order to not forget. If you just send me that after the 10 a.m. Eastern time, you have to remind me once again. Anyway, so GPS, we have a kind of turning point at the moment, because we got some support here around the 13, and now is about to have another pump, but is still shy away from this level of resistance, the 1375. So yeah, the 1375 will initiate another pump for this stock, at least toward the 14, and then we might have the 1416. So yeah, those levels we have to watch out for. The support 1347. For GSAT, down 2% yesterday. The price is still below our support or a breakout zone or resistance, the 1.25. Pre-market is neutral around the same price that we closed yesterday. So the price might continue toward the 1.07. So watch out for this. $1.07 continuation for a bearish momentum as long as we are below the $1.25. If we don't hold the bottom for this, the coming months would be the 86 and the 90. So watch out. We might see a continuation for GSAT toward these levels. As we said, the $1.50 is the most important level to break, but we got rejected. That's why the price continued to go down. Okay, we got almost 5 minutes left, and AMST pumping. AMST is pumping right now 163%. And we have a breakout once again. So, oh man, I would have liked this one happened when the market opened, but now we have a breakout. So we might have the $1 for the stock now is 73 cents. My pleasure, Elite. My pleasure, brother. Yeah. Mira sweep, Ruby, as we said, is kind of the chart is heavy manipulated. We don't have a strong like a breakout zone for it, so it's a bit risky. We check this one out. GNS is not ready yet. Yeah, we have a lot of stocks that they have their first earnings beginning of this month, so we have a turning point in the fundamental. Okay, we watching AMST. Let me just put, I forgot to put the charger. AMST still. This is not clear breakout. Yeah, it's not clear here. It's not clear. Yeah, the $1. This one is one to go to the $1. We're gonna have the $1 or not. $1 $1 already accumulated and pumped. So this happened in pre-market. This price action and accumulation happened in a pre-market. Now we ready to pump toward the $1. Let me just check how much we can do from here when the market open. 30%. 30%. Yesterday just 700k worth of volume. Now is over the 14 million. Yeah, now is 14 million. Welcome everybody. Let's get right to it. We have over almost 100 viewers right now. Let's get right to it, guys. 90 and likes 29. Let's make this even. Let's make this number the same as the viewers if this possible. This is a game we have to do before the market open. We just have 2 minutes left. Let's change the 29 to 91 or make it 91 would be really good to start the day. Likes 29, viewers 91. Let's change that. Okay, before the market open, in order to let the algorithm of YouTube spread our live streaming to more trader and help the new trader out. That's why we're here. We try to have a strategy before the markets open, because if you don't have a strategy, it's really tricky in the trading. This is really tricky because when I start trading, I don't have a strategy, have FOMO, I enter and never have an exit strategy, and this is make you lose a lot of money. Here we have to be strategic, and that's why we use our hunter wave trading. If you're new here, what's mean hunter wave trading is mean we enter and exit and take our profit. Then we reload if the price actually hit our support. Welcome everybody, welcome. So the market is about to open and we have AMST as the biggest gainer that we're gonna watch for today. Remember that day trading is risky. Don't follow me blindly and do your due diligence and never risk money you're willing to lose. Okay, this is really important to know before we start our live streaming. Okay, so we got VLON, Wish, we have Palantir, GPS, and this one, let me just take if US. This one is game over, I think. So we're gonna take it from the list, and XPON is pumping up. Yeah, we might see a green. GNS, SRZN I think is pumping. No, down. Okay, BBY is going down. Be careful guys, BBY is going down and this one is going up. Okay, AMST is pumping. AMST is pumping. So we might see a 200% for this one. Palantir is pumping down. So we got just AMST to watch. Testing. Let me just check. The first 1 minute got rejected. The first 1 minute got rejected. Okay, we don't have an exit now. We don't have a breakout for this trade. We need to break the 47. 47 is the break. Okay, XPON is have a struggle. XPON is having a real struggle to go up. Just let me put it there. AMST got rejected, of course. The 74, we don't have a clear breakout. We'll see if we're gonna try to test this level. Support at the moment is 64. We might see a test for the support. Would be really good if we go back. If we go back here to fuel, it's better than go higher. I don't like it if we go higher right now. I would prefer have a pullback. What's happening here? XPON is getting shorted heavily. So we might see a huge selling pressure because we got rejected around the $4 yesterday. This is it. If we broke the $3.20, is game over for XPON. Palantir got rejected and went down. So take it from the list. Wish is still wishing to go higher. We'll put alert here and take it from the list for now. VLON is still holding. GNS is still struggling, so take it from the list. SRZN looking really good, pumping $1.35. Okay, so we have SRZN and AMST. And VLON, we might see red to green right now. So we got three stock we watching. Okay, we need to fill this level. We need to hold here. For AMST, we need to have this reaction. Then pumping toward the $1. This would be a good reaction. Even though if we went until this AMA, the 53, accumulate, then we go higher in power hour is good. But this is the best support to hold to confirm a strength for the pull. Because we got rejected when the market opened around the 74. Short is shorting, short is shorting, is heavy. They're happy right now. The short are shorting. XPON is reversing a bit. We might see red to green for XPON. If we held, we need to hold this level. No price go below the $3.20 to have a reversal. VLON have a struggle. AMST is going down to the support. Let me just put alert so I will never miss this trade. If we just turn our head 65, yeah, 65 should be the support at the moment. If we broke it, we're gonna go until the 53. What's gonna be? Huge short, open around the 74. Our resistance, as we said before the market opened. SRZN going toward the first profit taken as we suggested before. Yesterday we talked about this profit taken, $1.47, now $1.35. So we might see a continuation right now toward the $1.47. XPON, VLON, SRZN. Okay, let's see a continuation for this one. Let me just put SRZN. Now is pumping. Let me just check in a smaller picture. Okay, 19%, come on. And here on trading view, just 2%. What's going on? $1.34, $1.35. There's something strange here. Let's see. AMC is still holding, but back around the support. So this is the support that we should hold. Okay. Still struggling. We might see a break for this support. This is it for AMST. This is it. If we broke without a reversal, is mean a sell-off until the 53 area. So we might see a test here. Let's see. The price is breaking. Let's see. I think the price is breaking, yeah. Yeah, we don't, well, let's see if the 1 minute candle closed below. There's no wick. There is no buying pressure happening. How much the volume right now? Okay, 1 minute candle. close without a wick. I don't like this reaction closing below, so I think the price will continue to go down, man. I don't like this. In the 5 minute it look kind of still not bad. Still testing in the 5 minutes. Yeah, I would be interested to buy here around the 54, 53. Here are still risky. Around this area, still risky. Volume is really light on XPON. VLON is kind of weak right now. We might see a break for this flag down. We might see a break for this flag around this area. 62 and 57 will be tested. This is where we're gonna have a reversal. Now is risky. Yeah, here we're gonna have a reversal. VLON. VLON. Let me just check where we might see. Let's see 60. Let me just put it around AMC. Okay, AMC is testing a new low. I don't like this. Let me just lower this level around the 4. So AMC testing our box. We need to have a reversal right now. VLON, as we said, we might have a huge selling pressure again, but we're gonna have a buying pressure there around the 60 and the 57. Here we should have a reversal. Okay, so if the price break right now the 76, we're gonna go toward the 57 and the 60. Either way, we watching the price. We might have a break for the $1 again. XPON is pumping red to green. We might see red to green for XPON. $4 is the squeeze for XPON. We're still holding and seeing if the price will hold this level, because as we said, $3.20 should be the bottom to confirm a breakout and squeeze toward the $4.60 and beyond. So now is the game changer for XPON. Are we gonna have a reversal, red to green or not? Okay, AMST going down as we suggest. 53 should be kind of a first reversal area here. SoFi. Let me check Palantir, SRZN going down. Let me AMST see going smaller picture. It's going down, of course. Let me just check. Let me just check. Okay, 55. Okay. Okay, so we got a potential trade here. We need to hold the current support here, the 55. If we don't hold it, it means a sell-off. Okay, here should be a huge wick and holding above this area, and the price will go here, accumulate, then continue to go higher, where we could actually take profit around the 60, 63. So this is really good trade. And of course, if we don't hold this level, we might see a huge sell-off until the 42, yeah, around the 44, 42. So we have to watch out for the first support and the reversal area. This will give us the confirmation for AMST strong or weak. Okay, so So we have two levels to watch out here around the 55, 54 and the 42, 40, 44. So if we don't hold this level should be a reversal. But first one we should have a reversal at is here above the 55, 53. Okay, this one XPON holding. SRZN is pumping once again. Okay, still holding at the 5 minute. This is it. This 5 minute, if it closes below this red line, is game over. At least until this support 55. We got just 2 minutes left for this 5 minute candle to close. Yeah, the 5 minutes is not closing below. So this is a game changer. We have a huge 2 wicks. So this is it. This 5 minute candle should close green. If it closes red, it's game over. So now we have buying pressure. Someone buying. We'll see. XPON is pumping. A lot of you ask me about Xella. I'm gonna check it in a bit if there's a potential, because still we are don't have alert yet for Xella. BWV. A lot of people ask about BWV. Okay, AMST is pumping now. It's held above our support in the 5 minute. BWV. 34. Interesting. Okay, interesting. We have an interesting play for BWV. Around the $1.60 maybe. Let me just check. $1.63 for a potential breakout. Let's see if we can see that. AMST looking good now for another breakout. BWV still have a struggle. Support $1.37, breakout $1.63, profit taken around the $2, but now it's getting down a bit. XPON is pumping. XPON, we might see red to green. We went from 9% down, now it's 4% down. KPRX hitting our scan, going down. It's shorting opportunity for KPRX if you want to short. This is where the short seller coming in. Huge short open. Shorting opportunity for KPRX. I think we're gonna go to test this support, the $4.32. KPRX, let me just put it on the short opportunity. KPRX. SQL still holding. Xella is still holding. Okay, Xella still holding above the 5 pre-market. APE is still holding. Mark is still holding. BBY. So BBY got bought back exactly around our profit taking or reversal area, as we said, the $1.87 exactly. So it was a really nice hunt here, 6%. As we said, the $1.87 is the last bottom for BBY. That's why we got bought back by the market maker exactly. So this is it for BBY. We should have a reversal. This is it. Now we have to break the $2.22 for confirmation for that. TRKA is still below our breakout zone. HKD is still gravitating down. So I put maybe I would put MULN maybe. Nope. BBY for potential trade. TKRA. Okay, we got APE, we got Mark. Yeah, those one are looking good. AMST going down now. Okay, this time we might see a break for our support and finally going toward the 55. Resistance is really strong. 74 is our resistance. XPON going red to green. XPON pumping 3% down instead of 9. Wish is pumping. BWV still below the breakout zone. So the BWV looking interesting for the $2. BWV looking interesting play. For Wish, we might see a break for the support right now for Wish. Not looking good now, not looking good. BWV looking interesting. I'm still waiting for the break, $1.63. Okay, BWV looking interesting now. BWV looking interesting. Getting rejected again. BWV, there is interesting play here. Got it shorted again. We'll see. We need to break the $1.63. The shorts are really shorting right now. They're not playing. They're not playing. They're not playing. AMST is still fighting. It's still fighting and holding. The 64, this is it. We need to hold this to break that. Let's see. If we held, we're gonna break. If we didn't, we're gonna go back down. 55, 55. Come on, we're gonna go toward the 55 now. Here, we're gonna have a reversal. Let's see it. Let's see it. XPON for the $4 break. Now it's $3.60. We need to see the $4. $4 for a squeeze for XPON, one of the top gainers before. Okay, 2% down. We might see red to green. XPON. Okay, okay. We might see a break now. Let me, oh man. Aha, for this one you can actually, okay. Aha, so we got rejected. Let's see if we could hold. Okay, a fake out. Whoa, what a crazy short open for this one. What a crazy short. Let's see if we hold above the $1.52 for retake. $1.52. Come on, if we held here is good. Otherwise a sell-off. We need to hold. We need to have a buyback right now. Come on. NGL, NGL. And this one is still holding. BWV. A huge short open. $1.52 for a hold. If we broke it, I don't like it. What a crazy short, man. The short, they're not playing. $1.63, it was their last defense. This candle was almost 50k. Yeah, so it's not bad. We not finished yet. We have 1 minute left. What a crazy wick here, man. We didn't have a clear breakout. Doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. What's gonna be? $1.52. How much the jump that we did from here? Yeah, we did 10%. Interesting. BWV. This one still holding, still fighting. $1.55, $1.56, 57. We need to retake the $1.63 to have a squeeze. Let's see. We're gonna have another break. $1.63. This is it. Let's see the strength of the balls. If we retake the $1.63, the ball is really strong because we got rejected here, and now the shorts might win. The short might win. We need to hold the $1.52. This level should be protected to break this level. This time without a rejection, because we got rejected here. What's gonna be, everyone? What's gonna be? XPON is still struggling. We need the green. We need the green. Testing, testing, important level. Okay, $1.58. Okay, this one went down officially. We're gonna have a test for the 55 now. $1.58, $1.59. Let's go. We have to have a squeeze. Where the squeeze? Yeah, Mira. Yeah, BBY try to reverse. Thank you, Joseph Angelo. Thank you, brother. Oh man, you are the only one who wish me happy Valentine Day. However, Joseph, I believe this is a mistake humanity do, which is celebrating like the love for just one day. You know, this is absurd. You should celebrate love each day, man. We might die tomorrow, you know. Each day is, you should actually be grateful for the people who you love. So you have to show your love each day, you know, never forgetting. We don't need one day to show us that, you know, it's not good. So don't celebrate those days, Valentine or the New Year's, or you know, because every day is a new day, and each day is a Valentine day. Each day is a great day. So yeah, I don't need any day like from society to tell me to love someone, to like to show my love to someone, you know. So yeah, thank you anyway, Joseph. Thank you. Okay, BWV is not strong. AMC looking good for another bottom. XPON is going up. V still holding. This one's going down. Let me just check something. BWV. This one, man, this one have a potential. Really have a potential. You see what's happened here? The shorts really got in strongly around the $1.63, and the price went down heavily. I don't like this, because if we have a retake for this level, we might have a squeeze. So we have to watch. We have to watch, because this level should be retested later on if the ball is still healthy. If the ball is not strong, we're gonna break this level, the $1.52. And yeah, $1.52. Let me just put it $1.51. Let's see what's gonna be. Right, thank you. Exactly, celebrate life every day. Exactly. This is it. This is it. Each day you wake up is kind of a miracle, actually. Microvision. Someone's scalping microvision. Okay, BWV is still holding. BWV is still holding. Microvision, $2. Is not good for scalping, brother. It's light on volume, barcoding. The chart doesn't look good. I don't suggest to anybody buying this one right now. It's not looking interesting. BWV for a retake, for another squeeze. I'm watching this because the short, I saw the short. The short are getting prepared for a huge position here once again around the $1.63, because you see what's happened the last time we tested. Boom, huge short open. So now there's a huge fight between the buyers from below and seller from above. So the $1.63 where the short seller is heavily positioned, and below the $1.52 is the pole here. So this area is a pole area, and this area is short area. In between is still undecision. Here undecision. We'll see which the market will drive the price. Now I'm watching where the price will go. Interesting. AMC, the short has won the game, so we're gonna have a test for the 5.5. XPON, we have a bit of rejection. Interesting level to break. Yeah, interesting to go to green. We need to overcome the $3.70 to enter a green area for XPON. Now still in red. We still in red. BWV, I think we're gonna break. I don't like this red candle. I don't like this red candle. Okay, XPON, I think we're gonna break. Still testing. Okay. What's gonna be game over or a retake for the $1.63? Interesting. Okay, red to green. XPON is going to green. $3.67 or 69. As we said, we need to break the $3.70 to see the green day. Green day for XPON. We might have a squeeze. XPON toward the $4 squeeze. Yesterday we have the test, we got rejected. This is it. This is it for XPON to have a green day. And not normal green day, but a huge green day. So let's see. Okay, green. We are technically green right now for XPON. Looking good for a break right now for the $4. Let's see a break. Now we are green. 0.00%. Oh man, what a crazy day. From red, almost 9%, now in green. BWV, we might have green to red. This is what I'm worried about BWV. If we continue to never break this level, $1.63, because this is the short sellers. Positions. We got LICN. 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 Okay, 13%. Not good. Not interested. XPON still light on volume. BWV 30% still okay. We got the breakout down, game over. Short have won the game right now for BWV, unfortunately. After this, a huge selling pressure, you see confirmation for the shorts. Price didn't hold the $1.50. Now we testing our AMA for last support. So the last bottom, if we don't want to have a sell-off for today, is above the $1.37. But is a weakness, you know. After breaking this level is a weakness. I will watch that for power hour. Maybe we might see a retake for the $1.63. If only if we held above the $1.37 and accumulate, then we're gonna have the break. Otherwise, a sell-off down to the depths. We'll see if we really have hold up above this level. I will put alert around this level just in case we might have a really nice dip. Remember, there's always an opportunity, so we never let any stock go. So we'll take this from the list just in case. AMST, okay, XPON, there's a potential. VLON going green, holding above our support. Okay, we might see a huge pump. Let's keep this here. Okay, we might see a breakout for VLON. There's someone buying, still holding about the 78 support. So we might see a break for this flag up toward the $1.21 this time, squeeze area. What's gonna be VLON? This is it. We need to break this flag. We need to break this flag. Critical area for VLON. I almost finished my holy water for today. You have to always drink your water. As we said before, 1 liter when I wake up, 1 liter when I go to the gym, 1 liter on our live streaming, and finally 1 liter before the market close. Add all that up, it would be 4 liters. 4 liters each day. Water is life. VLON is about to break this flag. Watch out. VLON, we have alert. VLON, we might see a breakout. We have a breakout down. So we might see a breakout down instead. This one is really volatile, man. We did 4% up, now 4% down. Really crazy one. Really interesting for VLON. Someone is selling heavily VLON around this flag. We have a potential for this one because the volume is all right around the 7 million. We got support that's been held perfectly when the market opened above the 78. And we have a mini try to break this flag. Right now is around the $1.99. So there is a potential. High risk, high reward. Just remember, if we broke this flag, is mean the price will go toward the 59 and 57. If we broke it from above, we're gonna have a squeeze. First test $1.21, then the $1.40 as a profit taken, then of course the $1.90 before the $2. So we have potential for a huge gain. However, this one is a big risk as well. High risk, high reward, of course. XPON is about to squeeze. XPON. Okay, AMST went until the 55.95. Now we have a test. Now we got a test. Now we have to have a test. VLON. I think we're gonna break the flag down now. BBY $1.96. As we said, for BBY we have two levels to watch out for, which is the $1.87, which we reversed from right now, and the resistance for today and the coming days is the $2.20 or the $2.12. You see here, this orange line is the reversal and the confirmation for strength. Now we have to hold this bottom, otherwise we're gonna have a huge sell-off like happened here yesterday. You see here, huge sell-off. We don't want to happen here on this bottom. Yeah, VLON, there's a potential pump down from this flag. We got question around crypto. Someone said crypto are pumping. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, but it's still not pumping because we just pumped from the bottom. This is normal. For Dodge, the bottom is around the 7 cent. For Shiba coin, not that much. For TWT or Trust Wallet is pumping from the bottom. So this bump is just from the bottom. For Bitcoin as well, we bumped from the bottom. 21,500, yeah. So we bumped from the bottom. Still we are a bit in bearish momentum. But yeah, it's good pump. Because last few days it was really a slow market for the whole market, for crypto market at least. Let's check Tesla. Tesla doing all right. Tesla doing all right. So Tesla went up as we suggested above our box. Look. Looking great because we test our circle as we said before when the price got rejected around the $213. That's why we said never short Tesla. As long as we up over the 180, never short Tesla because Tesla is strong. Now 4% up. We bounce from our circle that we did chart analysis for on our Patreon Discord. And now the price ready to pump once again toward the 233. Really looking good reaction for Tesla. Nvidia, the same reaction, is bumped from above our box, is about to break right now the 230. Nvidia looking good. What else that pumped? AMD, of course, is pumping 3%, looking good. So we have another support for Nvidia or AMD around this level above the 80 and going toward the 900. We might see $100 for AMD for this year. Wait for it, wait for it. The SPY looking good as well. The SPY is recovering. The SPY toward the 430. Are we gonna have it? We have a great bounce from our MA. The price is pumping. Looking good, my brother, looking good. The SPY looking good. However, VLON is still trying to break from this flag. This flag looking really interesting. Yeah, still holding the flag. We're still holding. XPON down 4% once again. BWV bouncing. AMST around the 55. Let's see a reversal. So XPON went to green, then we got shorted. I don't like this reaction because we have light volume actually. Light volume on this stock XPON. What's gonna be for XPON? Are we gonna have a reversal or not? We need to have this reaction, then going higher. AMST, we don't have any reversal yet. From this bottom, we need to have a reversal now. What you waiting for? The pole, where's the pole? Palantir is the top gainer for today. Volume wise, okay, so we bounce from here instead. Interesting, okay. So we bounce from our MA, now going towards the $9.30. $9.30 as a bouncing area. Otherwise, we might see a rejection right now. Yeah, we might see a rejection right now. Let's see. Tesla, Nvidia, AMD. Let me just check Mara. Mara around the $6.50, 11% up. The chart doesn't look good, at least in smaller picture. Okay, we have SKYT, Skywater Technology, have a bit of breakout. This one looking interesting. Yeah, the rejection is getting near. Already did 23%. On lighter volume, FUSN was the top gainer for today, but we got ready profit taking triggered around the $5.21 before the market open. Still holding the support. Palantir looking interesting. Palantir, we have to add it to our list. Looking interesting. Wow, so we got HKD alert, got halted. Okay, got halted 2% around our AMA, still below the $9, so it's not go for us. Still bumped from the bottom, so it's not looking good. We bumped almost 4%, so this is not a pump. We'll see if we broke the $10. We already have alert. XPON going up again. VLON still holding inside the flag, so there is a try to break this flag up. AMST still holding. AMST is accumulating. Good, we have first 5 green candle. We might see accumulation before another pump. AMST. Yeah, NGL is moving. The energy stock that we discussed before. Oh man, this one, oh man, 8%. This one looking good. If you remember, we already discussed this one when we have this breakout around the $2.18, and we said the first profit taken around the $2.70. Now going toward the second profit taken around the $3.30 or the $3.13. And the price target for this one is $4, guys. Oh man, this one is never stopping. We might have another 38%, looking really, really good. NGL looking promising. Let me just put alert around the $3.13. Interesting. AMST is reversing. AMST from our bottom, the 55. Let's see. Now we might have a test at least around the 62 and the 64. Another try to test to break. Okay, now it's pumping. 58, 58, 59. As we said, we're gonna have a reversal here. We need at least 62. Okay, so never run after the price, let the price come to you. This was a good example for us. We said the price will continue to go down if we don't hold around the 64. The price didn't, and we suggested the price would reverse here above the 55. So now is 59. Expected the price will go toward this area to test it once again around the 60, 62. We might see a rejection here. What's going on with Palantir? Yeah, this is a resistant. All right, this is a resistant. So let me lower this one here for a breakout around the $8.87. PWV, no. AMST still want to go toward the 62. DON have a try to break, but still someone's selling. Guys, HKD is still below our breakout zone, the $9.48, not the 9. Doesn't matter. As we said, the short seller has heavily positioned over the $9.50. Any price bump here is doesn't matter. Doesn't matter here is doesn't matter. So we have so many stock got halted. Let me check G Sun or G. Okay, let me just check this one. Yeah, we got reverse split for this one. 1 to 10, then the price got diluted. I don't like it. Not looking good. My brother doesn't look good, this one. We have to be focused on this one instead. XPON is still struggling. Low volume, for my opinion, below the 1 million. So we need over the 1 million or 2 million in order to have a squeeze over the 4. This one has been heavily shorted before. You see here, every pump we have another short open after that. You see, huge short. So we pump over 100%, then we give all the way back almost 60%. Again here, pumped 100%, then shorted once again 50 or 60%. Now pumped, but this is a different story because we pumped and we still holding the pump. So there's someone buying this time. There's someone buying. So it's really interesting play. XPON, man, XPON. Need time and volume. Need time and volume and the right timing, you know, because now it's still struggling. Still struggling. But still holding. We might see a green once again because when we turn green, someone sold really heavily for XPON to go in red. So this is really interesting. Yeah, Palantir going down from this flag. Yeah, I'm with you, John Friedman. I think GSUN, not GNUS, you know. So this is, I think, a mistake from our hunter here. Because usually a lot of people ask about GSUN, not G, I don't know. Because they have the same ticker symbol. So I understand the mistake, you know. I understand the mistake. I do it as well. We got many stocks almost over 15,000, so normal to have this kind of mistakes. Anyway, so for this one, $2.70, 3 million, we got rejected again. Bottom price, $2. Now we still holding. Got shorted again. Already have alert around the $3.50 for a breakout. Now is not ready. Palantir is not ready as well. It's not ready. This one is not ready. AMST is not ready. XPON, VLON. Yeah, VLON, we might have a short will open heavily right now. Already have a chance to break this flag, but we didn't. Now we might have a huge short open until the 59 or the 60, yeah. The 60 and 56. Let me just check how much we could go down from now, because now is 6.80%. Ah, man, almost 30%. We might go 30% for today. So it's good short opportunity actually. Good short opportunity for VLON. But now still holding. We'll see. Still holding. As long as we hold above the 78 is potential squeeze. Otherwise, a sell-off another 30%, man. 30% before the market close. We might see a 30% drawback for this stock. Someone said, or Jem said, APE looks bad. No, come on, man. Not that bad. Still holding. Still holding. The market today is slow, you know, because we don't have a continuation. All this stock you see in the green, they pumped in the pre-market, and when the market opened, let's take example for the biggest gainer for today is AMST. We got rejected right around our resistance, the 74.84. and we were ready to take this trade, but the price got rejected, and we warned our hunter here. We said it's not clear to entry because we have a fake out, and the price went down. So yeah, the market is kind of consolidating down, and we don't have volume. The short is in control. The price went down for most gainers. You see now Palantir going down, given the profit that we made in the pre-market. So yeah, when the market opened, for those heavily pumped stock, they all went down. There is no new high when the market opened. The first minute when the market opened, all got shorted. Palantir, AMST got shorted. BWV got shorted from the all-time price high around the $1.63. Okay, so yeah, we got many stocks, man. Many stocks went high in pre-market, got shorted before the market, when the market opened. Top loser for today is SNGX stock. Went down 28%. Yeah, volume light, we already did reverse split before, $1.15. Usually, see, when we have a reverse split, many stock get shorted heavily after. So be careful. The other one is MOBQ. Not good. The other one, TTOO, as well. This one, nope. GFAIs still continue to go down. This one we hunted before, and we already took a profit around this area, around the 22. Now is around the 12. Crazy pump down. We have to be ready for this support around the 9. The 9 should be the next support if we broke the 12 for GFAI. Let's go back to our list. VLON still 6% down. XPON is pumping. We might see a green now. We have a green candle forming. BWV is pumping. AMST is testing our bottom support. Palantir going down from this flag. Meta sweep want to load on VLON if it dropped. Be careful, brother, be careful. VLON is still holding, and there's potential dump down, of course. So yeah, we might have a reversal. Great reversal wait to be happened. So we have to be ready for it. Yeah, the first reversal around the 60. We might have a reversal there. Another 26%. Yeah, those loading up area, 41 and the 60. If you're interested, this is really two areas for VLON looking really juicy. We might see a huge dump down here, then a huge pump, and here a huge dump, then a huge pump. So two area to watch out for VLON for a reversal, because it's about to dump down from this flag. As we said, this flag is the breakout zone, but unfortunately we didn't. So we're gonna break it from below. Otherwise, like either way, the price, if it go down or up from this triangle, there's a potential for trade. GNS going really down. Okay, this is really not good. This is not good. We have a potential pump and squeeze, but we got rejected around the 7. The price continued to go down. This is not looking sexy. We'll see. Yeah, we are getting ready to hunt for AMST reversal area, because it's kind of, the short is still shorting the stock, still holding the 53.84 as a bottom, but there's another 2 levels to watch out for. The same scenario for VLON. They have a potential reversal area. So both AMST and VLON have a potential reversal, and those reversal area we can actually have a huge pump, like almost let me just check for this one. We might have a huge pump, yeah, for this one 15%. For VLON we might see 20%. So VLON is pretty volatile, more volatile than AMST, but less volume, of course. BBY, we might have a double bottom. Yeah, today is a bit slow day. It is a bit slow day for us. But this is a test, guys. This is a test. When the day is slow, never force any trade, okay? This is really important. Let's check our Discord if we have something going on. Okay. Okay, Jam. Yeah, BBY is going really down because, as we said, to answer your question, Jam, BBY is retesting the support. Now is retesting actually the support and might have a double bottom. So this is it. You see, we have a buying pressure. As we said, this is the support. The price actually went higher, almost 6%, and still giving up. That's why we always say we have to watch out for confirmation for a reversal from the bottom. And how we gonna confirm the breakout or holding the support is the $2.12. You see, last time we have a test and the price went down. Now we went up, but we never actually go until the $2.12, which is a weakness by itself. So now we have to hold this area in order to test the $2.12. This is the only reaction that give us a confirmation that BBY have bought back by a huge whale and the price will start to reverse and go toward the $2.30. This is the best case scenario for BBY to confirm the bottom, at least for the coming days. Now it's good that we have a bit of slowness of selling pressure. Here we have a flush. There's no test. Here we have a bit of fighting. This means someone buying the dip, and here someone buying the dip, but we need to confirm a bottom. Okay, as we said, the $1.80 should be a bottom and confirmation support. Really interesting. Yeah, we have a bit of drawback again. So still, even crypto is still stagnating. For Dogecoin is still stagnating near the support after the rejection that we did chart analysis for around the 9 cent. You see here, the 10 cent, 9 cent, we got rejected and the price went down from there. Tesla giving back a bit of profit. It was 4%, right now is 1% or 2%. Okay, let me just use one of my indicator. Use the time to show you one of my indicator that I'm using. Because some of you ask me like what charting I'm using and what indicator I'm using for trading sometimes to have more confirmation for my trade. So one of the other indicator that I'm using invite only script. So those kind of will open for you as well when you actually join Lux Algo Premium. Yeah, Lux Algo Premium on their website. So here let me just bring Lux Algo Premium action concept and just show you how we could actually use it. Not this one, let me just put the other one. Yeah, finally. So let me just take this off. And this okay, so you see here we have kind of an easy way to see kind of the reversal and the buy signals for many stocks. So let's take it for example Tesla. So for Tesla, we have a strong buy signal happened around the 1st of February, and we got sell signal. So this is just one of the indicator that inside the Lux Algo Premium that you can use. But if you want to add more confirmation, let me just take everything out and make just Lux Algo Premium on the chart to see what's gonna happen. You see we have again trend tracer and trend catcher and Neo Cloud, and we have two cloud actually. EQ Cloud, which is a display indicator on your chart. Okay, we have two. Let me just check EQ Cloud first, and the other one we have, let me just check the other one. Yeah, this one is better. And add trend tracer and trend catcher. So now we have almost 3 indicators to add more confirmation for our trade. So if we go back, we see the bottom for Tesla last time around the beginning of this year. You see we have buy signal and sell signal at the same time, you see. However, if we just want to confirm when we should buy Tesla, we could know that here. We can't actually know that here because we have this sell strong signal. That's why I'm use other indicator with not just buy and sell, but with the other indicator that we added, as you see, the cloud and the trend catcher and trend tracer. So we have buy signal, the third one, and if you see here in smaller picture, we have this red line. So if we have a red line and a green line, it's not clear yet to buy. But if we have a green line here and a green line here, and we still have a buy signal, is mean an entry for us. And this is a confirmation for entry, and it happened around the 20th of January. This confirmation happened around the 20th of January, and then you have a continuation for the price, and the price continued to go higher. Then we have the first sell signal here, but it's still not we could actually never go out when we see the sell signal, because we still have red line and green line. It should be 2 red line with the sell signal in order to sell. So this is a really good way to just add confirmation with our support and resistance, and give you more confluence and confirmation if you don't know how to draw the chart, you know. So this is make it easier for you to draw the chart, at the same time help you to find a trend. Let me just take this out and remove it, and remove this one. This is perfect. Yeah, it's been asked from us a lot about this, so it's really good to actually make an example for you guys, a front for our like example with Tesla. Perfect. I will just add the link if you guys interested in getting discount on Lux Algo Premium. So it will be easier for you to join and check it out. And maybe I will do another video just to show you guys how to use it exactly. So let me just put it here. You can actually get 60% off on Lux Algo Premium. And let me just put it in message. Yeah, perfect. Now Tesla is still holding, and as you see from our Lux Algo Premium, it's still, we don't have a confirmation for sell yet. And yeah, as we said, the support is the 180. We might have a sell signal on Lux Algo if we broke this level, but we didn't. That's why we didn't have a sell signal. Now we're still holding, because we got a really great question from our hunter on Patreon, and even here on Discord we got many questions from our hunters. after we did a chart analysis for Tesla, because we always do chart analysis here on our Discord. And the question is our hunter bought Tesla around this area, and he wants to protect his profit. So he suggests where the support and is it a good way right now to exit, or let the price go. So as we said, if we hold this level, it means game on for Tesla to continue to go higher. VLON is, I think, breaking the support. Yeah, breaking the support. VLON is breaking. VLON. Okay, XPON is pumping. XPON is pumping. Officially, red to green. XPON, AMST is pumping down. So we might have price going toward right now. Let me just initiate. Yeah, the 46 now. Going toward the 46. AMST, Lucy. Okay, getting shorted as well. AMST getting shorted. Palantir holding the support, so it is good. We might see a break for this flag. Palantir looking good. We might see a breakout. Palantir looking good. AMST, yeah, looking dicey right now. We might see a continuation down. XPON is pumping, guys. XPON for the go. We might have a huge pump. XPON for a squeeze toward the $4. Finally, we got Palantir and XPON. And remember, guys, if we have Palantir squeezed over the $9.30, we're gonna do chart analysis on our Discord and Patreon here on the chart section. If you are ready with us, just wait for the chart update for XPON and Palantir after they break the squeeze area for update, profit taking, and the price that we have to watch out for rejection, because XPON is about to break. $4.80, as we said, if we hold the $3.20, we're gonna have a squeeze. Now is about to squeeze. XPON about to squeeze. What's gonna be? XPON for the squeeze. Okay, almost $4, $3.92. This is it. This is the third time test. This is it. XPON for the squeeze. What's gonna be? We might see another pump, almost 20% after that. The holy water almost finished. The holy water almost finished. No worries, Mira. Happy to help. Yeah, it's really pretty easy to use. And one thing before I forget, once you actually join Lux Algo Indicator, as you can see here, you can actually get a precise entry for Lux Algo here on their Discord. And you have a precise entry for Bitcoin and Ethereum, for stocks like Facebook, Amazon, Tesla. You see here, for Tesla we have sensitivity for today 36 and agility 20. And guess what? For each time frame there's a different settings. For here, you see here, indicator settings spot. So we have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. So we put it around the 1 hour. I suggest 1 hour or 4 hour for more confirmation, because the less time frame we might don't have a precise setting, it's not good setting. However, 1 hour and a big picture, like let's say 1 hour, you go on Tesla and check. Each day there's a new setting, so you have to scroll back down and go for Tesla. For Tesla, sensitivity for today is 31, agility is 22. So if we go for Tesla, growth stock, and do Tesla, and do go for the 1 hour, of course, then we gonna go to our indicators, put Lux Algo Premium. Yeah, okay, so let me just put the other one. Okay, so let me just remove. Okay, so we have the 1 hour Lux Algo Premium. Now we go here on this box and do double click, and then go on the down scroll and go here. You see signal sensitivity. So if we go on the Discord for Lux Algo Premium Discord and go scroll down on indicator setting bot and choose the options 1 hour, then go to Tesla and go sensitivity here 31. So you go back here and put sensitivity 31. Then go scroll back down and go toward the agility. So let me just see where's the agility setting. So let me just check where's the agility. So we already have the sensitivity and we have to check the agility. Okay, interesting. I don't see it here. Stay. Style, visibility, input. Okay, so we have here guys. So I found it. So agility, you can find it here. Confirmation, signals, agility percentage wise. Here we see Tesla is around 22. You see Google is 20. It's different. Microsoft is 22. AMD is 35. You see it's different. So for Tesla is 22. So we go back here and put from 26 to 22. And then let me just go down 22 and go do OK. Let me just scroll back. Now we have the precise settings for Tesla for today. We see that we have two cell signal around the 213, and now buy signal actually formed around this area. See here, around the 190. So this is a good signal settings. So you have to adjust it each day when you join with my link. As we said, if you want to have 60% discount, you have to put this setting inside the indicator and integrate it, of course, on TradingView. And of course, we don't have to forget to add this right now, Lux Algo Premium with our levels, because this is will add confirmation. So usually most indicator have lag. Okay, we might have a bit of lag. So Lux Algo Premium is good to spot the support and the resistance in the big picture. However, in a smaller picture, we have to watch out for our support and the resistance for a quick entry and exit, okay? And Lux Algo Premium, you add it to give us the big picture. At the same time, make it easier for us to draw support and resistance. And yeah, make it easier for even new traders to draw support and resistance. And this new trader friendly because you see the buy signal and sell signal. Hopefully that's was clear, guys. So this is what's actually good. Let me just go back to Jesus trading list. XPON is still not pumped. We have the $3.92 Palantir. AMC is still bumping down. Okay, still holding. So XPON looking interesting. Red to green. Just as a reminder, everyone, we always go live each day around the 3 p.m. CET here on our YouTube channel. And before that, we do actually our pre-market update and watch list stocks for the stock that have potential to squeeze, like VLON when we traded before last week. So yeah, if you came in late for today, just be warned, or just as a reminder, we go daily each day. And our live streaming will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. So don't worry if you miss our live streaming for today, or you miss your stock to be analyzed. We already covered many stocks, so you could actually rewatch our live streaming after we finish the current live streaming, okay? And we're gonna do a video around 8 p.m. CET to discuss the stock on our watch list for tomorrow and the game plan for them. Of course, we're gonna discuss BBY because many of you asking about BBY and what's gonna happen, because now we have a double bottom support. So this is a really interesting play for BBY and APE as well. Many of you are kind of getting tired of this behavior, or APE is kind of consolidating up and there's no price action. So we have to be patient, guys. We have to be patient because APE is consolidating up and is heavily shorted before, and that's why the price is stagnating around a really important level. Yeah, really important level between the $2.78 and the $2.12. So it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Still holding. It's better than AMC, for my opinion. It's better than AMC. Meta sweep. I heard about this glasses. What you mean? Like, it's bad to actually uh, like using chart without sunglasses? I will do like research about this. Really interesting because I don't have any problem like by using like the chart without sunglasses. I don't know. It depends on the laptop or depend on screen that you use. I think there's something missing here, but it's really interesting that you actually said that. I will check this out. Thank you for the info, man. XPON is ready. He is ready to go higher, 4%, from 9% down to 4%, and volume is picking up. Before it was below the 1 million, now over the 1 million. So a lot of you ask me like how we know uh, like the scammers. So it's really easy to know the scammers from me because my name is highlighted. Okay, if in the comment section you see my name is highlighted in white. So don't reply on anybody like have a Telegram group or asking for your phone number, or they have their phone number and ask you to contact them on their phone number. That's why I never actually give my phone number. The only way to contact me to ask me about how to join Discord on Patreon and how everything works and how the signals and how the meeting we do the Zoom meeting, because we always do Zoom meetings with our hunters to discuss the portfolio and how to build a strategy to stop have their portfolio bleeding out, and try to have a strategy to at least stop this kind of bleeding and have a new strategy to offset this kind of bad behavior, because a lot of my hunters actually bought around the top and averaged down around the around the bottom, and the price continued to go down for many trade like for AMC and other stock that went down the last year. So as we said, if you have any question how to join us, you can send me directly on this email. Please don't send anything or reply to anybody in comment section on YouTube, okay? Because there is many spammers and scammers everywhere, man. I can't actually delete all the spammers, really. Jesus, trading.jesus.contact. This is the only way you can contact me if you're not already on our Discord or Bitcoin, because this is easier. You can contact me directly. Anyway, so at jesus.com. So this is the only way to contact me, okay? gmail.com. Please stay safe and don't reply to those scammers. Just report them to YouTube. And here my business email. Sunray, yeah, we are on Twitter, of course. We are on Twitter, of course. And my Twitter is, you can find it on YouTube with the other links for our social media. So it's really hard for scammers to manipulate this one because it's on YouTube. Yeah. VOON is going down from this flag. This is normal. We don't break this flag from above, so we're going down to test this support. Yes, Sunray, I saw your message on Twitter, and I sent you a comment actually. Yeah, I sent you a comment on Twitter, but I didn't see any reply. Yeah. I got your message twice, and I saw the video. And I have a question for you, and regarding the machine, what kind of machine is that? Like how you can test the water, and what mechanism? So I have a question about this because this is crazy. The water turned like gray, almost like green, like there's fungus inside. This is really, really dangerous and scary, man. Okay, I will check it right now, Sunray. You know what's? Let me just go on my Twitter and check it right now. Um, uh, uh, I don't know where I can find it. Anyway, but last time, I always check Elon Musk because he sometimes makes some jokes. Please stay tuned while we make adjustment to the algorithm. Oh man, this guy. Stone Age and Iceland and Washington D.C. Oh man, Elon Musk, Elon's tweet and Twitter. Oh man, it's fucking. It's really funny when you are owning a Twitter. Whatever he say or whatever he tweet, you don't care. He don't care actually. He just puts whatever is in mind and he just tweet about it. I like the freedom. After man, this is crazy. Ah man, really funny. A really, really funny guy. Okay, I will check it, Sunray. I will check it out. Wow, would be really interesting if you just put the name of the water testing kit. What's the name of it? I will check it out. Thank you for the suggestion, brother. Okay, guys. As we said, always we do live streaming around the 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Just wait for our video that we're gonna upload around 8 p.m. CET today to discuss the stock that been heavily requested from us, like BBY, APE, and the other stock testing important support. And tomorrow, as usual, we're gonna do pre-market update for our hunters and request a stock. Of course, we're gonna request do a requested stock before the market open, and do watch list. Today we didn't do a watch list because we don't have a great setups for the stock. That's why the price, you see what's happened for VLON went down, AMST as well went around the rejection area. I don't like it because we already pumped over 100%, and the chart I don't like it as well because we don't have strong support. So yeah, that's why we didn't do watch list. So for tomorrow, if we have a great setup for good stocks, we gonna do a watch list. XPON finally $3.97 before we finish our live streaming. Great breakout. I think the short sellers actually running because they seeing that Jesus actually left the room or left the live streaming. So now we have to have a squeeze because we're gonna have to finish our live streaming. So we're gonna do chart update for XPON for our Hunter on Discord and Patreon. So watch out for this update just after our live streaming. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.